All right, guys, so now that we know what a sequence is, we're going to talk about how do you then take a sequence, create a table from it, and then figure out the general formula for that sequence. And so the first thing we're going to do is when we have a sequence right here is we're going to go ahead and put that into a table. Now, guys, when you make a table for your sequence, your x values in this case are your position. So what that means is the order of the number. Since this is the first number is 3. Okay, so my x values are the order. So my second number is 5. My third number is 7. And my fourth number is 9. Okay, so notice again, this is the order of the number and this is the actual number. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to Desmos. I'm going to go ahead and type in my table. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have 3, 5, 7, 9. So you guys can see this is going to be a arithmetic because we have a straight line, right? Geometric, there'll be kind of a curve. All right, so then I'm going to go ahead and take my answer choices. Now be careful in this one, because we have a table in terms of x and y, I do have to write these in terms of x and y. So on the first one, I'm going to go ahead and type in y is equal to 2x minus 1. Okay, so notice it does not pass through my points, so I know that's not it. Again, on the second one, I'm going to graph that. Instead of a of n, I'm just going to use y so my variables match. So y is equal to x plus 2. So y equals x plus 2. Again, close, but doesn't exactly pass through my points. Okay, so for C, I'm going to go ahead and graph that as y is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, and you'll see on this one, look, they pass through all of the points. Okay, so that's going to be my general rule. And then if I graph the last one just to double check myself, remember this is going to be graphed as y is equal to 3x plus 1. Okay, and again, we see that it doesn't match, right? So in this case, the explicit formula for this sequence is going to be C.